Hello everyone, welcome back to school. I am Mr. Fitzgerald, your AP US History teacher, and what I'm going to do today, right now, is just give you an overview for this week's activities. Some of you have already been online, and you've seen some of the activities that we're going to do. This video kind of completes everything, and I'll show you everything that is going to be due right up until the end of this week. So when you first come on, these are my office hours right here. You know, Monday was yesterday, there was the last day of summer break. Then Tuesday, my office hours are from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then Wednesday, it's from 12 to 4, and it will continue on that way throughout the rest of the week. This is how you can get a hold of me. This is my email, my phone number, and my Twitter account. And so feel free to contact me via any of those routes. If I'm not there on my office hour, that's okay. Still try to contact me and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. Okay, as you go through AP US History, this course is going to be a little bit more confusing than some of the other courses that you're used to. This course was actually purchased, and so it was not written by me. If it was written by me, I could change a lot of stuff really quickly, but because it wasn't written by me, some of the stuff in this course won't really apply to us in this class. And so it's very important that you follow the tutorials. If you notice right here, section 1.00 to 1.01, there's a tutorial that will show you exactly how to do everything within that section right there. And so as we go through some of these sections, it's very important to go through the tutorials, and that way when you watch these tutorials, it will tell you line by line exactly what you should do within the course. And so this will just be the first tutorial right there that will show you kind of what you can expect for that. The very first assignment that you will have will be this forum. There'll be the course overview where you'll kind of get to know me a little bit better, and then you will have the forum right here. This will be your very first assignment. You will receive 10 points for completing the forum. It's very simple. All you have to do is just put down your name, your age, what school you attended last year, and something interesting you did this summer. And so as soon as you just put that in there, it's pretty much just a pass-fail. Once you've done it, I'll give you your points. You can go right along and everything will be great. Okay, now as you go through AP US History, you're bound to come across some concerns. As you view the tutorials, you're going to see that there are certain things you need to download to be able to access some of the Web 2.0 technology that's going to be embedded within the assignments. Once you come across those problems or glitches, please get in contact with me, and I'll help you resolve those. I went through lots of those glitches myself as I was studying through the course, and I've learned how to overcome lots of those things. And so as you go through, remember, this is your first assignment. Watch the first tutorial and the second tutorial, and then watch the tutorials for these ones for 1.03 and 1.04 as well. These will be your first two regular assignments. They're not really designed to be that hard. This week is going to be a lighter week as far as AP history goes. You're going to have some weeks that are very intense, but these first three assignments are going to be very easy. This assignment right here, all you will do is write one paragraph. You will just write a thesis statement that goes on an opening paragraph. That's all you need to do. Don't worry about writing a research paper, especially at this point. And then for this one right here, all you are going to do is just write 3 to 4 paragraphs. And it's an art analysis. You will see what it's like when you get there. But don't make it harder than it needs to be. It's just 3 to 4 paragraphs. You will include topic sentences and those type of literature aspects within the paragraphs, but I don't want you to stress out too much. It's just to kind of give you a taste for the type of writing that we will be doing. Okay, that's just kind of a brief overview of what we will be doing this week. If you have any questions, please contact me or get a hold of me and get help so that we can just hurry you along and that you can keep on continuing on AP history.